So hello everyone and welcome. My name's Chris. I'm the Customer Success Manager here at IAMTech. Thank you for joining me today as we take a closer look at the latest addition to our digital suite, iCompletions. In previous webinars, we've focused on our electronic permit to work solution, iPermit, and explored how they can help with not only improving safety, but also efficiency. However, today, we're shifting focus to what happens after the work is complete, because as we all know, execution isn't completion. Those final QA, QC steps where work moves from done to certified complete are often where delays creep in and pressure mounts. Paperwork piles up, tracking becomes inconsistent, and assurance processes start to drag. All of this not only presents a safety risk, but can have severe commercial implications, and that's exactly what iCompletions is designed to address. Across shutdowns, projects, and maintenance campaigns, one of the biggest bottlenecks is the completion phase, when QA, QC activities, documentations, and approvals all come together. iCompletions simplifies this stage, helping you eliminate paperwork, increase visibility, and ensure every quality gate is properly met before final sign-off. So instead of chasing documents or approvals, your team can stay focused on progressing the job safely and efficiently. The first thing the users see when they log in is a centralised dashboard, a single real-time view of all QA, QC activity. From here, your team, including supervisors, inspectors, and planners, can easily see at a glance what's complete, what's awaiting inspection, and what's on their individual punch lists. A consistent event filter lets you move easily between projects, scopes, and keeping workspace focused on the relevant data. Across the top, a quick view ribbon summarises package status, such as total amount, work completed, and items awaiting inspection. Clicking on any status dynamically filters the data below so users can focus on exactly what matters most in that moment. The result, instant visibility, no spreadsheets, and no wasted effort looking for updates. As with all software, navigation within iCompletions is designed for simplicity. The collapsible left-hand menu provides quick access to packages, inspections, punch lists, reports, equipment, and control charts. All access is managed by roles and permissions, meaning each user only sees what's relevant to their function. Administrators can quickly configure who can view, create, inspect, or approve, linking each role to the right approval or documentation requirements. This balance of control and flexibility helps organisations maintain strict QA, QC governance without introducing delays. At the heart of iCompletions are digital control charts. These define the step-by-step quality process for each work package, including hold points that must be passed before completion. Each hold point brings together the required evidence, which can include documents, inspections, and approvals in one structured view. For example, a pressure test for a heat exchanger may require several pieces of information providing in support of work performed, including a pass-fail inspection result and an approver's digital sign-off before progressing. Every action is tracked, who carried out the task, when it was done, and what was achieved, creating a full digital audit trail. There's no risk of a step being skipped or a signature being missed, and your teams can instantly see the status of each control point. This control, transparency, and assurance ensures that work only moves forward when it meets the quality requirements defined by your organisation. Of course, not everything passes first time, and that's where punch lists come in. In iCompletions, creating and managing punch lists is quick and structured. Each item links directly to its related package and can be categorized by type. For an example, safety, mechanical, electrical, or documentation. You can also assign it to a responsible person or team, ensuring clear ownership from the start and providing complete flexibility. Once saved, the item appears in the punch list dashboard where its status and due date can be tracked right through to closure. When the issue has been resolved, users can record completion notes and mark the item as closed, capturing the action taken and automatically logging who closed it and when. This delivers clear accountability, improved visibility, and confidence that nothing is missed before final certification. All this data comes together in the reporting area where progress and performance can be tracked across events, systems, or disciplines. Here, we're looking at the event completion matrix, which gives a live summary of every package, its control points, and any outstanding punch items, all in one view. Colour-coded statuses make it instantly clear what's complete, what's in progress, and what's waiting for action. You can filter by package, equipment, or char, and the overall progress bar provides a real-time completion percentage for the event. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain oversight and ensure QA, QC closeout keeps pace with your project schedule. So, what does all this mean in practice? It means supervisors gain full visibility of progress and hold points, reducing delays at sign-off. Inspectors have a clear digital workflow, no manual forms to complete or confusion over requirements. With iCompletion, they instantly know where they need to be and what's required. Managers get accurate, real-time reporting to support decision-making and forecasting, and the business gains a fully auditable record of every QA, QC activity, improving compliance and eliminating rework caused by missing documentation. In short, iCompletions replaces scattered, paper-based QA, QC processes with one connected, controlled, and transparent platform. So to summarise, iCompletion delivers visibility, real-time status of every package and hold point, control, structured workflows that prevent steps being skipped, accountability with full traceability of every inspection and approval, efficiency, faster closeout with zero paperwork and instant reporting. It's the bridge between execution and certified completion, ensuring that your work is not just finished, but properly finished. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. If you'd like to explore how iCompletions could streamline your QA QC workflows, we'd love to arrange a deeper session with you and your team. We'll now open up for any questions where I'm joined by James Holt, Commercial Director, and one of our software engineers, Jordan Hall. Thank you for your time.
Thanks very much, Chris, for that. It's great to see a blend of some of our existing clients and new clients or potentially new clients attending today's session. As discussed, iCompletions has been developed in collaboration and with invaluable input from a number of our existing clients. And if any of you are on this session today, we'd just like to take the opportunity to thank you once again. As on previous webinars, if you've got any questions that you'd like us to address, we've got Jordan joining me on the call, who's been one of the architects of this particular module of the system. So if you would like to raise anything via the Q&A chat at the bottom of your screen, by all means do so, and we'd be happy to take the opportunity to address them. Okay, there's one there. Brilliant. It looks good. When will it be available? Fantastic question. So at the moment, it's obviously a fully functioning system. It's been going through testing. Our intention is to release it in the first half of next year into the software suite. So thank you for that question. What's the other one that's just come in there? We've already got iPlan. Is there an additional cost for iCompletions? So again, great question. The short answer is no. iCompletions is included within the standard iPlan license. So if you are an existing iPlan customer or a potential new customer, you would get the completions module just included as standard. Is there any other questions from anybody? So here's in case there is a third-party service provider in a certain task and does not have access on your iCompletions, how would the updates be tracked? So in reality, one of the benefits of iPlan is that we don't restrict who can have access to the system. So we do it on a location by location basis. So we would have no issue provided that you were happy in granting access with clear role restrictions to any third parties that were involved in the execution of your work. So hopefully that answers your question. Is there any other questions? No, if there's nothing else coming through, I just would like to take the opportunity to thank you once again. Oh, sorry. UPN and Journey, we'd like to understand, are there plans for the software to be accessed on a mobile device? Yeah, it's exactly the same as the main product. It's can work on anything that can connect to the internet. So it's device agnostic. It's designed with mobile in mind as well. It auto scales. So yes, it's very much our view of iCompletions is that it's there to be used in the field. That's where you'll derive the most benefit from it. But clearly, it can be used on any other device as well. So sorry, I think the next question that came then from Khaled is the same. Can it be done by the mobile application? So hopefully that's answered it. So yes, you will be able to use it on any device you should you wish. Just give it 30 seconds, see if there's anything else. If there isn't, I'll take the opportunity, so as I said, just to thank you once again for your time and attendance. I'll also take the opportunity to thank Chris. Tom was going to be doing it, but was struck ill at the 11th hour. So Chris came into this with very little prep. So thank you to him. I think as Chris mentioned, the offer stands. If anybody's interested in reaching out post the session to have a demo or a more detailed discussion, then please just reach out to myself. I will be happy to facilitate that and help in any way that we can. But I'll just take the opportunity now to thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we look forward to welcoming you on the next webinar we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you.